Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Morning,
Morning, Miss.
Hello guys, are you happy today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so before we start our lesson today, let's reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, for that, let me check your attendance first. Elvina, Farah,
Present, Miss.
Akila,
Here, Miss.
Fatin,
Present.
Alfi, Alfi, are you here?
Present, Miss.
Okay, Abil, Abil.
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Okay, Lily, Lily, are you there? Okay, there's no response. Fadli, Fadli, are you there?
Present.
Okay, Fatika.
Present, Miss.
Okay, okay, today we will learn about in the hospital. So, have you ever go to the hospital, guys?
Yes.
Okay, Farah. What do you do in the hospital?
Um, I'm jenguk my sister.
Okay. Thank you, Farah, for the response. So, today we will learn about the name of the disease. Please, next. Okay, for the first is headache. So, please repeat after me. All of you, please turn on your mic and repeat after me. Headache,
Headache.
Headache,
headache,
Headache.
headache,
headache, sakit kepala.
Headache.
headache,
Sakit
sakit
kepala.
kepala.
Next, stomachache,
Stomachache,
Stomachache.
stomachache,
stomachache, stomachache,
stomachache, sakit perut.
Stomachache. Sakit
stomachache,
perut.
sakit perut.
Next, toothache,
Toothache,
Toothache.
toothache,
toothache,
Toothache.
toothache,
toothache, sakit gigi.
toothache, sakit gigi. Sakit gigi.
Next, fever,
Fever,
Fever.
fever,
fever,
Fever.
fever, demam.
fever,
Fever.
demam,
Demam.
Cough,
cough,
Cough.
cough,
Cough.
cough,
cough, batuk.
cough, batuk.
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 Okay, thank you very much. So, okay. So now you already know all the vocabulary, right? So I will call one by one your name, and then next, please say again the vocabulary. Fatin, Please say
Yes.
cough.
Cough.
What's the meaning of cough?
Batuk.
And Alfie,
Yeah.
please say toothache.
Toothache.
What's the meaning of toothache?
Sakit gigi.
Okay. And then Abil. Abil,
Yes, miss.
please say headache.
Headache.
What's the meaning of headache?
Sakit kepala.
Alright. Then Akila,
Yes, Miss.
please say stomachache.
Stomachache.
What's the meaning of stomachache?
Sakit perut.
Alright, guys. Now we move to the next activity that is watching the videos. So please pay attention to the video. Please play. You can pay attention back in the video. Yes, sound. Alright, Farah, you can get it. Okay. Do you need to play once again?
Yes,
Hello,
miss.
guys.
Yes, miss. Once more.
Alright, more. Alright. So guys, that is the example of the conversation in the that usually do in the hospital. So now I will divide you into a group. One group is consists of two students. Next time we will practice and make dialogue. It's like in the example. So I will divide with you first. So for the first group is Alfi with Warga, and the second group is Akila with Fatin, The third
Di
group is
bawah.
para with Fatita.
Mati ini nanti.
And then the fourth group is Fadli and Abil. Very silly.
Iya.
Gila.
Alright, guys.
Okay. Sorry, Miss.
Alright, it's okay. So for the first group, you will fill the blank, fill the word that miss in this dialogue. And for the first group is the first slide, and the second group in the second slide, and the third group is third slide, and the fourth group is for the last slide. So I give you 3 minutes to do it, guys, and the next we will practice together. I will share the worksheet to our group. Please stay there. Yeah, thank you. All right. The time is over. So now the time for practice the conversation. So I will invite the second group for practice. Please, the second group, you can practice now with your partner. So it's the second group. Last time I called. Please for the second group. Wardah, what group are you?
Me, Miss. Oh,
All right, please
sorry.
practice.
We think we are the first group.
I'll be with you, Wardah.
Hello, Arda. Yes, Miss. Sorry. We think we are the first group.
Okay. Please
Yeah.
practice the conversation.
Okay. Hello, Arda. What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Hello, Alfie. I have a headache. Yes,
Oh, I know why
I
you
have a
have.
headache.
I know why you have a headache because you do so many homework, right? So as to your
Yes.
no, you must did your chores every day, so it's not to be a lot of chores, so you will not get headache. That it's serious,
Oh,
So you should give you some
okay, thank you, doctor.
medicine, and you must drink it 2 times in a day. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dr.
Okay,
Alfi.
Wardah. Uh, yeah, take a rest. Okay. Dan is done.
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much. Give applause. Okay, now the time is over. Before I close class, uh, I will ask you something. Uh, please say the vocabulary that we have learned before. So, how you can call this? Can say this? What's this?
Cough.
Alright, this is
Cough.
okay.
Cough.
And
Cough.
what about this?
Stomach. Stomachache.
Stomach. Stomachache.
Stomach.
Alright, that is okay. Thank you guys. You did a great job today. So before we close, what have we learned today? Anyone who want to share the reflections of today's lesson? Want to share reflections? Yes, Arta. Do you want to say something?
We learned about what is it called?
You can use bahasa if you don't know the English.
In the hospital? I know.
Yes, yes, our team is in the hospital.
Oh, yeah. So we have learned about some what is it? Sakit,
Alright,
like stomachache, headache, cold. Yeah, that's it.
alright. Thank you very much for sharing, Marta. So, for today's lesson, we will learn about the names of the disease. So, when you will ask a permission of the class, when you have sick, maybe when you want to uh, visit the doctor, you can say that if you feel your body get sick and you have a cough or something. Okay, thank you very much for being my lesson today. You have a good job, and I hope you always be happy in your day, and also don't forget to study hard. Before we close, let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin.
Thank you very much, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi
Thank
wabarakatuh.
you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.